Hello and welcome. Let's do some astronomy. Hang on, let me grab the moon. Do you notice that there's dark spots and light spots on the moon? These dark spots are called mare. This is a lava material from ancient volcanic eruptions. The white spots are called ejecta. That's from craters hitting the moon and ejecting out this white material. That's what we're going to demonstrate in this experiment. So what you'll need is some kind of container or tray, flour, cocoa powder, and a rock, pebble, marble. Let's get started. Take your flour and sprinkle some into the bottom of your container. This will represent our ejecta material. Then take your cocoa powder and sprinkle a little on top. You can use a sifter if you want to get a really fine, even layer. I'm just going to sprinkle the best I can with this. For best results, try and cover up all of the white flour if you can. Here's the surface of my moon. Let's see what happens when I drop a meteor directly on it. So a few things happened when the meteor dropped. First, it formed a crater, an impression in the moon. The meteor jumped out of the hole, which is pretty common. You'll notice that the ejecta is now visible, so there's white that's been uncovered. Typically in space, since the moon is moving and the meteors are moving, you don't get a direct drop like we just did. Usually the meteor is coming in at an angle with quite a bit of force. So for this next part, I'm going to try and demonstrate how if the angle comes this way, we'll see what happens with the ejecta and the mare. So this often sprays ejecta in more of a line. It also creates less of a circular crater and all around changes the surface of the moon. So now you'll know more about what you're looking at when you see the moon tonight.